Hello friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to verify your account in Poloniex Exchange. When you enter your account, for verification, click on your profile. Then click on here. In limits and features, click on get started. Pay attention that we have to verify our account with Poloniex app. Scan the QR code with your phone, then download the app. On the mobile app, click on the profile, then click on basic verification. We enter the ID verification section, which is in two levels. Basic verification with deposit assets with no limit in deposit assets and $10,000 withdrawal assets per day. And advanced verification, which you have to use ID and facial recognition for verification. There's no limit in deposit assets and you can withdraw $500,000 per day. Click on verify now. Select the issuing country and the document that you want to upload, which you can choose between ID card, passport. We choose ID card, then click on next. Here you upload front and back side of your ID card. You can see the tutorial and pay attention that you have to use government issued documents. Place the ID against a single colored background. Photo must be clear, unblocked, and without glare. Avoid using black and white images. After uploading the pictures, click on submit. Then we have to take a selfie for liveness check. Click on verify and take a selfie. For checking your verification status, you can click on your profile and check it here, or you're gonna receive results in your email. Until the next video, good luck.